Let's talk about the real muscle behind every construction site, the excavator. These machines might not get the spotlight, but without them, nothing would get off the ground. They're the silent giants, always ready to take on the toughest jobs, rain or shine. These yellow giants are the first to arrive and the last to leave, shaping the world beneath our feet. Before the first brick is laid or the first steel beam is set, it's the excavator that prepares the ground, making way for everything that follows. Their engines roar to life before sunrise, and they're still working long after the sun goes down. Every skyscraper, home, and pipeline starts with a hole in the ground, and it's the excavator that makes it happen. Whether it's digging deep foundations for a towering building or carving out trenches for vital utilities, these machines are the first step in turning blueprints into reality. Designed to move mountains of earth with precision, they're the titans of trenching and the masters of material handling. Their hydraulic arms can scoop, lift, and swing with incredible accuracy, making even the most complex tasks look effortless. But it's not just brute force. Skilled operators can use these machines with surprising delicacy, placing pipes or grading surfaces to perfection. It takes years of experience to master the controls, and the best operators can maneuver these massive machines with the finesse of a surgeon. The operator is the brain, the excavator's arm is the muscle, and together they turn blueprints into reality. Inside the cab, every lever and pedal is an extension of the operator's will, translating vision into action with every movement. Their versatility and power make them indispensable, a true icon of American ingenuity. From digging foundations to demolishing old structures, excavators adapt to any challenge, proving their worth on every job site. Modern excavators can do even more, thanks to a range of attachments. With a quick change, they can break concrete, lift heavy beams, or even drill holes, making them the Swiss Army knife of construction equipment. So next time you pass a construction zone, remember, that machine isn't just digging, it's building the future. Every scoop of earth is a step toward new roads, schools, hospitals, and homes. From local projects to national landmarks, excavators do the heavy lifting that keeps our world moving. They're there for the small jobs and the monumental ones, quietly shaping the landscape of our lives. It's a tough, dirty job, but these machines and their operators do it exceptionally well. Through mud, dust, and every kind of weather, they keep going, day after day, with grit and determination. They're not just part of the job site, they're the foundation of progress. Every major project starts with their work, and their impact is felt long after the job is done. So give them a nod of respect. They've earned it. The next time you see an excavator at work, remember, you're witnessing the first chapter of something new being built, and the unsung heroes making it all possible. The excavator's arm is a marvel of modern engineering, its boom, stick, and bucket working together seamlessly, almost like a giant powerful limb brought to life by human ingenuity. Every movement is a testament to precision and strength, allowing the machine to reach, lift, and dig with incredible force and accuracy. It's not just metal and hydraulics, it's a carefully designed system that transforms raw power into delicate, controlled action. Hydraulics are the muscles behind this mechanical giant, channeling immense energy through pressurized fluid. With just the flick of a joystick, the operator can command tons of steel to move with surprising grace. It's a dance of power and finesse, where human touch meets mechanical might, making even the heaviest tasks look effortless. That arm isn't limited to just digging. It can carve deep trenches for foundations, load massive trucks with earth or debris, and swing heavy materials across a bustling site with pinpoint accuracy. Whether it's shaping the land or clearing obstacles, the excavator's reach and dexterity are unmatched. But the real magic lies in its versatility. Swap out the bucket for a hydraulic hammer and it becomes a rock breaker. Attach a grapple and it can move logs or scrap with ease. Fit it with shears and it slices through steel like scissors through paper. In just minutes, the excavator transforms to tackle entirely new challenges, adapting to whatever the job demands. This flexibility makes the excavator the ultimate multitasker on any job site. It's a single machine that can handle demolition, material handling, grading, and even precision tasks that once required a whole fleet of equipment. Its ability to switch roles saves time, money, and space, making construction projects more efficient than ever. It's not just a shovel, it's a rolling toolbox on tracks, ready to take on whatever the day brings. From digging and lifting to breaking and sorting, the excavator is the backbone of modern construction, always prepared for the next challenge. One machine, dozens of jobs, all done faster, safer, and with more precision than ever before. Today's excavators are smarter and more capable, setting new standards for productivity and safety on every site. So the next time you see that arm in motion, remember, it's not just brute force at work. It's a display of engineering brilliance, raw power, and the creativity that drives progress in the world of construction. That's how we build the world, one scoop at a time, combining innovation, strength, and adaptability to shape the future from the ground up. Excavators are built for power, not speed. Their tracks crawl, and they'd destroy a highway if they tried to drive on one. So when a job's done, these machines need a ride to the next site. Enter the heavy haulers lowboy trailers designed to move these giants safely and efficiently. Projects run on tight schedules, so keeping excavators moving is critical. Idle machines mean lost time and money. Different jobs need different excavators, and each one must arrive exactly when needed. Transporting them is a logistical dance, keeping construction on track and infrastructure safe. It's the partnership between trucking and digging that keeps America building. Watching an excavator load itself onto a trailer is a show of skill and engineering. No cranes needed. The operator uses the arm and bucket to push and pull the machine up the ramp. It starts with perfect alignment, track straight, and bucket anchored for stability. The operator uses the boom to lift and the tracks to crawl, balancing power and precision. It's a mechanical ballet, requiring total focus and a steady hand. This self-loading trick means excavators can be moved from even the most remote sites without extra equipment. It saves time, money, and hassle. Proof these machines are built for more than just digging. The self-loading shuffle is a testament to smart design and operator skill. It's how excavators get ready for the road ahead. Before loading, the ground must be flat and stable. No shortcuts here. The truck and excavator operator work together to find the safest spot. The excavator approaches slowly, tracks perfectly aligned with the trailer ramps. Any misstep can twist the machine or the trailer. Precision is everything. The operator extends the arm, planting the bucket on the trailer deck for stability and control. This anchors the machine and helps steady the trailer as weight shifts. Careful setup is the most important part of the process. Rushing leads to disaster. Communication between driver and operator is key. They're a team. Every detail matters to ensure a safe, smooth load. A few extra minutes spent here can prevent costly accidents. It's all about setting the stage for a safe move. Now comes the climb. The excavator's tracks crawl up the ramps as the arm pulls it forward. This is where raw power meets precision and every movement counts. The operator must judge the angle, the speed, and the pressure, all while keeping the massive machine steady. It's a careful balance of pushing with the tracks and pulling with the bucket. The steel tracks bite into the ramp, while the bucket acts almost like a second set of hands, giving the excavator extra leverage to climb. The operator must feel the machine's balance, making constant adjustments to avoid tipping. Every inch forward is a test of skill, as the center of gravity shifts and the risk of slipping or rolling increases. The engine and hydraulics strain as tons of steel move up the incline. You can hear the deep rumble of the engine and see the hydraulic pistons flexing under pressure, working in perfect harmony to lift the machine. Once on the trailer, the operator positions the excavator to distribute weight evenly over the axles. This step is crucial for safe transport. Too much weight on one side could spell disaster on the road. The driver guides with hand signals, ensuring perfect placement. Communication is key here, as even a small miscalculation can lead to costly mistakes or dangerous situations. The arm and bucket are tucked in, the cab rotated for a lower profile. This minimizes wind resistance and keeps the load within legal height limits for transport. The engine shuts down. The climb is complete. The machine now rests, still and silent, after a display of sheer mechanical strength and operator finesse. It's a masterclass in machine control and teamwork. Every person on site plays a role, from the operator in the cab to the crew on the ground, all working together to get the job done safely. This isn't just digging, it's climbing, balancing, and preparing for the next journey. The transition from ground to trailer is a challenge that demands respect for both the machine and the people who operate it. The excavator proves it's as versatile as it is powerful. From digging trenches to mounting trailers, it adapts to every task thrown its way. Ready for the road, it waits for the final step, securing the load. Only then can this mechanical giant safely begin its next adventure, heading to a new site and a new challenge. Loading's not done until the excavator is chained down tight. An unsecured load is a disaster waiting to happen. Safety is everything. Heavy-duty chains and binders lock the machine to the trailer at designated tie-down points. The driver tightens each chain with a binder, removing all slack and clamping the excavator in place. Every chain and binder is double-checked, and extra straps secure the arm and bucket. Only when everything is locked down does the rig hit the road. This attention to detail keeps everyone safe and the machine ready for work at its next stop. It's not just about moving equipment, it's about responsibility. Safe transport is the final crucial step in the journey. That's how you move a giant the right way. Excavators and their steam-powered ancestors have shaped America's greatest projects. The Panama Canal, steam shovels chewed through mountains, changing global trade forever. The Hoover Dam, giant electric shovels carved the canyon, anchoring a modern wonder. The Big Dig in Boston, modern excavators worked in tight spaces, rerouting highways beneath a city. These machines made the impossible possible, turning bold visions into reality. Each project pushed the limits of engineering and machinery. Excavators are more than tools. They're symbols of American ambition and grit. Their legacy is written in every canal, dam, and highway. Every scoop of dirt is part of a tradition of progress. These machines don't just build, they make history. The story of the excavator is the story of building America. They're the backbone of construction, mining, and infrastructure, doing the dirty work that starts every project. One skilled operator can do in hours what once took crews weeks. This efficiency drives progress, saves money, and makes big dreams possible. From massive earth movers to nimble mini excavators, their versatility is unmatched. They dig, trench, clear, and even help in disaster recovery. Their mobility means they're always where they're needed most. Every yellow arm swinging on a job site is progress in action. From the Panama Canal to your neighborhood, excavators lay the groundwork for the future. They're not just machines, they're the foundation.